We like to call this one the T-Rex. That's why. Buzzing. Woo! Woo! That was good, but this is better. Oh! Oh. Oh, parkour, hardcore, parkour. I don't know what I'm saying right now.
You probably think you know where I am right now. You think I'm behind a tree, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Behind that tree.
Really?
Behind this tree.
Ah!
Parkour, parkour.
Go.
Call this the scooter shot from the left. Go.
Woo!
Broncos!
Bronco Nation.
Sexy scooter.
Wait, quick, quick. Do it now. Do it now. Oh. Kitty cat. Who's a Mr. Kitty?